Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is a journal with me session in my Hobonichi Cousin. It is in the Avec style. As you can see there, I wrote down what I wanted to use for the page, and I don't know if you do that as well. Sometimes I don't have the time to finish off a spread, so I write down something that I had in mind, and I wanted to take out these Sakuralala stamps that were perfect for this spread. And these are the Japanese hiragana characters, and my Japanese writing is horrible, so these little stamps from Sakuralala are perfect for these types of spreads. I actually have finished this Hobonichi Cousin, and I need to edit the flip through video. I did a flip through of the both, like because it is Avec style, I have the first half of the year and the second half of the year, so I need to edit that, and I will post that after this video goes up. We went to a park. You probably already know, but we recently moved several months ago, I think a couple months now, and we've been trying to explore this area and try out or we're trying to explore this area and find new places to visit, especially parks and things. And I don't know why, but we've never actually been to this place called Kodomo no Kuni. The location that we lived 2 houses ago, if that makes sense, we were actually quite close to this area, but we never actually visited. And I don't know, maybe it's because my kids were very, very young at the time. My daughter was just born at the time, and yeah, we just never visited this Kodomo no Kuni park, but it's huge, lots of places to just kind of roam around, and they have these little areas of like playground areas, so once your child gets bored of one section, you can easily walk around to the other section, and it's really nice and big. And during that time, there was a lot of changing leaves, and it was very beautiful, so I'm glad that we were able to go there. This other park that we visited later on, it's called the Odawara Wanpakuland. I don't really know what that means, to be honest. I don't know if it's somebody's name, but this was also a really nice park, nice and big. And I like the big parks because even if there's a lot of people, it doesn't feel like it's crowded. There's unfortunately not a lot of parks around where we are, within walking distance anyways, so we try and find these bigger parks where we can kind of roam around and run and just be carefree. So we did go to this one that's called the Wanpakuland, which is nice. It was free, so I think there's parking, but there's like a parking fee, but I don't believe you had to pay for admission to get inside, so that was nice. I am using one of these tearaway calendar sheets again, from the stationery selection to just kind of, I like to use these to make the date kind of pop out. And yeah, I am also using these Sailor Shikiori markers, the brush markers, and just kind of outlining the watercolor heading that I did. I always like to outline the heading so that it kind of pops off the page. For the most part, I usually use a black, but lately I've been using different colors and having a lot of fun with that. I'm trying my best to use more color in 2020. I'm trying to be more aware of that, and not just in my journals, but with the types of planners and even in my clothing. I don't know why. I'm a very neutral person in terms of clothing and things. I just usually wear neutral colors, but I'm trying my best to kind of add pops of colors here and there, maybe in my accessories and things. These are some old pictures of my kids. I'm not too sure. Oh, they were playing with blocks, and they're just showing me their creations. And then the other picture for the 8th, I did my nails. I don't remember when it was, but I redid them, and so I took a picture of that and I pasted it there. These little stickers are some freebie stickers that I received in the mail. It's just an advertisement for a kids program, and from time to time they send these little stickers, so I decided to use them to kind of decorate the page. It's never, it's nice to always have these, well, I appreciate these freebies because you can kind of decorate the page and make things pop out a bit. The printables, there's some printable elements in here for day number 5 and 6 from Courtney Diaz, Little Raven Ink. The printables are from the December pack, but I always use her collage sheets, and I will leave her link down below for her Patreon where you can participate. And yeah, I don't really know what else I did with these pages, but like I said, I will be editing the page flip through, the completed Hobonichi flip through for you. I filmed it without any talking, and I think I'm just going to leave it as is. If I have time, I will do a voiceover, but I think I flipped through pretty quickly, so hopefully, anyways, we'll see. We'll see how it is. I'm not too sure. I'm just adding some old photos here and there in my pages. I've decided to continue with the Hobonichi Cousin size, the A5 size. I've been doing this for a bit now. I think this is my second year, and I've been really enjoying it. Decided to kind of make the hiragana characters pop out more with the shikiori markers. My ink wasn't very good with that. I think my inks are drying out because I don't use them that often. But those are the completed pages. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry about the rambling. I felt like I was rambling a lot this video, but anyways, I will be back soon, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.